हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एमएस एक्सेल के कुछ बेसिक एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। अगर आप कोई भी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूट या फिर कंपनी में इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं तो वो आपसे एक्सेल के कुछ एमसीक्यूज पूछते हैं, जिससे वो ये चेक करते हैं कि आपके पास एक्सेल का कितना नॉलेज है। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए अपने एमसीक्यूज को स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। दोस्तों, मैं हूँ विजय साहू और आप देख रहे हैं विजयकॉम एजुकेशन। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीखते हैं। पहला सवाल है हमारा, एमएस एक्सेल स्टैंड्स फॉर, और इनका ऑप्शन है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, मैनेजमेंट एक्सेल, Micromax Excel, and the correct answer is Microsoft Excel. MS Excel is and the correct answer is spreadsheet software. Microsoft Corporation launched MS Excel for the first time in, and the correct answer is 1985. Dash appear at the bottom of the Excel window, and the correct answer is worksheet tabs. Excel is a program that is used to prepare a, and the correct answer is spreadsheet. In Excel, typical worksheet has dash number of columns. The correct answer is 16,384 number of columns. In Excel, typical worksheet has this number of rows, and the correct answer is 10,48,576. Formulas in Excel start with, and the correct answer is equal to. A file that contains one or more worksheets to organize data is known as workbook. Dash tabs that appear at the bottom of each workbook called sheet tabs. The intersection of a column and a row in MS Excel worksheet is known as cell. What do you use to create a chart? And the correct answer is Chart Wizard. How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel file? And the answer is 3. In which tab wrap text feature is present in MS Excel? And the correct answer is Home tab. Which of the following identifies a cell in Excel? Address. Which function in Excel checks whether a condition is true or not? And the correct answer is if function. Dash is not a function in Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, and the correct answer is average, AVG. Which one is not a function in MS Excel? Correct answer is clear. In Excel, you can activate a cell by, and the correct answer is all of the above. What does the VLOOKUP function do? And the correct answer is finds related records. In Excel, concatenation of text can be done using ampersand. You can add a hyperlink to your worksheet by pressing Ctrl+K. Free online version of MS Excel is known as Excel for the web. Which term is used to join the selected cell into one cell? Option is merge. The dash features of MS Excel quickly completes a series of data, and the correct answer is autofill. In MS Excel, page border option is available under none of the above tab. The basic unit of a worksheet into which you can enter data in Excel is called a cell. Open workbooks can easily be switched using Ctrl+Tab. This is not a function category in Excel. Data series. Which bar shows the used formula of selected active cell? And the answer is formula bar. How many characters can be typed in a single cell in MS Excel? And the answer is 32,767. Typed text showed in active cell and also in formula bar. Dash is the best alternative to MS Excel offered by Google Incorporation, and the correct answer is Google Sheets. MS Excel file cannot be directly exported as PPT. Microsoft Excel uses the dash function to calculate the results in the data table, and the correct answer is table. Which of the following formulas will Excel not be able to calculate? And the correct answer is equal to sum sales minus A2. This formula is not calculated by Excel. Status indicators are located on the formula bar. Comments put in cells are called cell tip. Which of the following options is not located in the page setup dialog box? Page break preview. You can use the drag and drop method to both A and B, यानी कि copy cell contents and move cell contents. Which of the following is an absolute cell reference? And the correct answer is $A, $1. Which of the following is not a basic step in creating a worksheet? Copy the worksheet. When integrating Word and Excel, Word is usually the both, that is client also and destination also. Dash cells involves creating a single cell by combining two or more selected cells, merging. Excel files have a default extension of XLS. The cancel and enter buttons appear in the formula bar. Getting data from a cell located in different sheet is called referencing. To copy cell contents using drag and drop, press the End key. When the formula bar is active, you can see all the above, that is the edit function, edit formula button, the cancel button, the enter button. An Excel workbook is a collection of worksheets and charts. Hope guys वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। तो मेरे चैनल तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और हाँ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं एक नए वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।